She has conquered television and now her digital app Balaji Alt is also getting as much love on the web. Today we have with us Ekta. Welcome to Bollywood Live.
Thank you for having me on Bollywood Live.
The first thing, like you said about Alt Balaji, was that the platform gave you the creative liberation that you craved for.
Yes.
So when was that moment that you decided that enough was enough and you wanted something like this?
So for a long time I was stuck, not badly, but I was loving television. It's great fun to do it, but there's so many stories you can't tell. Films, you have to think what the director wants to do, then actors have to come, they decide. Producers don't really get a chance to write or be creatively expressive. And then I was like, okay, this is the way it's going to be, then maybe yeah. And then when this thing came of doing web shows, I felt a sense of relief. Doing 20 episoders, doing shorter stories, doing clutter-breaking content that probably an individual would watch alone, maybe not watch it with his whole family, with a completely personalized programming plan. I thought this is my chance to do all the stories I never got a chance to do in my life,
There is a section, that web series are more about sleaze and there's a lot of sex in that. So is it the reason why you said somewhere that you have just curtailed the slang and the sex to a couple of shows?
Yeah, because there's when you have a medium which is not censored, people try to use it or misuse it to actually use it to bring out some kind of provocative content. I have no problem with sex. I want to say that at the beginning, that there's nothing wrong with sex. I think we as a country should be very okay with sex. I think prohibition causes a lot of crime, and sexual crime should be the real problem that we should deal with. Non-consensual sex is a problem. But on the other hand, I as an app was wanting to stay away from anything that stood for something that's available. Sex on the net, like porn, is available very easily.
Exactly.
So I want to tell a story. Actually the big thing here is that what's not available on the net are great stories. Urban India stopped getting content after Bade because we went into the soap operas and the mass audiences came in to take on television, and the urban mass got marginalized. So they want content. My mom wants to watch something like Bade. My friends want to watch something which is like an American show. Somebody else wants to watch a comedy which is very relatable and urban. Somebody wants to watch an urban drama which is about affairs that happen and they're not really physical as much as emotional. So the world is wanting to hear stories that they relate to, we can't tell them because you have a TV, your mother-in-law's there, your husband's there, even if it's there, you won't watch it.
All the series, like I saw Romil and Jugal, have been shot at a very big scale. Like the production is really good. And while everyone is very kicked about the web, not everyone is very sure about the return on investment. Yes. So how much thought did you put it on the profit side before?
So this is a proper business plan. It's taken us 1.5 years to plan the finances out, what the investment will be there. I'm telling you now, it's a 4-year investment. This app is going to be something that I have to feed content of like 42 shows in a year, after which there will be at least that kind of traction that I want. We've got a huge response. I didn't expect it actually. I was thinking maybe after 6 months we'll get some response, and here I was, first weekend we got response. But yeah, at the end of the day, what happens is when you start a business like this, you make a 4-year or 5-year business plan, and you know that there is a return of investment. A subscription-led or a pay model is the only way you can make high-impact programming.
And one of the trailers that has really impressed us is that of the test case of the story of a woman going into combat. On a personal level, what do you feel? Because it's a matter on which all the opinion is very divided. There's a segment even within the army that feels that women should not. They are good, in some general duties and administrative stuff. But what do you think, of the very
I want to
notion?
give the very big example of the Israeli army. It has women in combat. It has women very well trained. If you see, an Israeli woman knows self-defense better than any other woman. I think it's a matter of time when women go into combat, we'll realize multitasking, the combative abilities that a woman has may make her far more valuable. So we have explored that in the show. When a real combat happens, intelligence, an instinct at some point, even a fast turnaround, a plan B or strategy always helps.
And like coming back to it, like a lot of actors from TV are nowadays doing web series because they like the content, the challenging roles that are there on offer. But what do you think, like within the industry, when you talk to your friends, do you see that they see it as a stepping stone to Bollywood, or maybe as a new platform to explore their talent?
I think actors that I know want to just explore their talent. Television actors are so tired, most of them tell me we work all day, all night, and it's like I feel like, what am I doing? Although people love them, they love the appreciation and they love their show. But there's an actor who always wants to do, say, shorter format. They want to finish saying a story. They want to see the character journey in probably the first year only. So for them, this is a perfect creative expression. Most of my friends are like very excited about the web. Very.
Okay, and when you made a film like Love, Sex and Dhokha, everyone was so surprised at the radical content. Even like the shows that with Dev Didi or your Romil and Jugal is so radical and so different, refreshingly. So when you are going out and telling stories like this, and when someone talks about Ekta Kapoor, it's only about daily soap queen, do you sometimes feel like saying, oh hello, please?
I'm like somebody like, so you made Nagin? I'm like, yeah. What were you on? I said some great stuff. It was really good. I was in fact thinking of cutting a promo to that for Alt. Okay. Like somebody is smoking up and suddenly they turn into a Nagin and say this kind of stuff. But I was like too wild. They said don't do it. But I think at the end of the day, a creative person should not be generalized or put in a box. I love the TV I do, and I'm saying this again and again because I don't want to ever be that person who loses respect to that medium that gave them everything. I've got everything from TV. My masses, my dadis, my nannies, my mummies who watch my show, the sasses, the bahus who appreciated me, even the Nagins, wherever they are. Thank you, but I still am a single girl living with urban issues in Bombay, with conversations and a life that I see so much around me, and yet there are no stories I can tell of these people. So this has given me a chance.
Has it ever happened like you're writing the script for a TV show and you know that you have to keep it cleaner, for a certain, and you have just, cried inside that oh no, I wish I didn't have that.
I had this moment when I was doing the show called Ajeeb Dastan Hai, and this like fabulous show about a woman who is married and her husband turned out to be a cad, and after many years of marriage he turned around and told her that, you know what, hello, it's a lie, the marriage is a lie. She met another man, and I was told that you can't show her falling in love again because शादीशुदा औरत को फिर से प्यार नहीं हो सकता. ऐसे क्यों नहीं हो सकता? उसके पति ने कुछ 50 अफेयर किए थे अब तो इसको पता चला था, but she can't fall in love again. क्यों? So I was like, okay. I want to cry.
Okay. I also read somewhere that you were very unhappy because in Tere Liye you could not show the passion between Harsha Chopra and Anupriya Kapoor, and you felt the show suffered because of that.
I felt that there's so many places I felt like a normal physical reaction between two people. But I get it, we are going on TV. I mean, I don't want to see a kiss when my father's sitting in the room, yeah. We're in somebody's house, they're watching TV, दादी बैठी है, मैं बैठी हूँ और पापा बैठे हैं, तो मुझे भी awkward लगेगा. I also say, I want to go to the loo. My dad and I went for a movie. We saw the title. It was called City of Angels. We were very happy. There's nothing in this movie. It's called City of Angels. After 3 minutes, a 4-minute long love scene started in the theatre. That's only me and my father going to see the movie. And that Nicolas Cage and Meg Ryan are making out, and my father is looking down, then he looks left, then he looks at me. मैं popcorn खाएगी तो popcorn ऐसे हाँ मैं लेके आता हूँ
And like out of all the shows that have come out so far, whether it's Romil and Jugal or Kar Li Tu Bhi Mohabbat, then which is the one which is closest to your heart? Like as a woman, as a person, you relate to maximum with that story.
Test Case.
Okay.
I have felt a certain kind of, like when I read that script of Test Case, and every time Nimrit falls down, and I've not made her like larger than life, she also has issues. She's also come with a lot, and it's as much of a struggle for her. And whenever she was down and she gets up now, I feel something. I feel something because a woman in the army, patriotism should never only be a man's prerogative. It is every Indian's prerogative, you know. So yeah, I feel great. And of course, I love Romal and Rupal because whenever I've had, like yesterday, Gay Bombay sent us a bouquet with flowers, and they told us that thank you so much for normalizing something that people call abnormal. So like, I'm loving it. Every story is connecting with someone, and I'm in app. But it does, I don't know. But what I wanted to do, I did, you know. They've doubled the young girls calling us up saying that, you know, she's so badass. My mom tells me I have to walk this way. My dad tells me I have to talk this way. Brother abuses, it's okay. I abuse, not okay. So yeah, it's fun.
Okay. And recently when we saw that picture with you, Smriti and Sakshi, we literally went mad, you know, like the internet went crazy. So like, has Smriti seen, like if you had to make a show for her?
Smriti is lovely. I have not met a human being like her. She is the most normal woman I have ever met. She's classy, she's sweet, and she's the same Smriti I knew when she was an actor. In fact, when we were in Delhi, she said, "What are you guys doing?" I said, "We are in this press conference." "Who? You and Sakshi?" "Acha, I'm having lunch with you." She came, we hung together, and we called Sakshi. Sakshi का press con चल रहा था नीचे, मतलब कुछ interview चल रहे थे. She came. 3 of us looked at each other and we were laughing. We were like, "वो time चला गया यार हमारा. हम लोग कितना काम करते थे, अभी लोग करते नहीं उतना काम." I said, "हाँ." And we clicked pictures, we hung, we laughed. It was like nothing had passed. I said, I'm standing with these 2 women. One has done Dangal. The other one has become a minister. And I'm like a TV producer. App shuru ab dekhte hain.
Okay, and this is like someone really wanted to know, like from the Nagin series, like which is your favorite character?
My favorite character? It's मैं Nagin हूँ. Shivanya. Money. Show me the money.
Okay. And like lastly, I know this is very like off from the topic like that we are today here to discuss. But when Lakshya grows up, like which is that one daily soap of yours which you would like recommend him, you know, to see that?
When Lakshya grows up, you know, my biggest problem है when boys grow up, no, we tell them he should be a heartbreaker. ये बड़ा होकर ना लड़कियों के दिल तोड़ेगा. I want him to see something which makes him a sensitive man. I want him to see a show that makes him a man who realizes कि दिल तोड़ने में कोई मर्दांगी नहीं है. So I would show him The Dirty Picture as a film.
Right.
I want him to accept all kinds of women and respect all kinds of women.
And something like from your daily soaps?
From my daily soaps, what will I show Lakshya? I don't think he'll watch them. But if I had to show him...
But you had to like, you know, emotionally blackmail him, like, you know, like, hey, this was...
Then I will show him बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं.
Okay. Alright. And last, you know, it's a small rapid fire.
Okay.
So I'm just, you know, like there are these 5 shows and you have to just tell me that which Indian TV actor you think would really fit in well in this. The first one is Sex and the City.
There are 4, you need 4 of them. So I think I wouldn't say which one and which one, but I would definitely cast Moni. I would cast Crystal. I would cast... I think Moni, Crystal would be... I don't know about the 2 other characters who would fit in. But yeah, I think the girl from Remix, I think she's grown up now for the lawyer. Yeah.
Okay. True Detective.
True Detective. Why would we only look at TV actors? Can we look at film actors? If you had to say TV, I would say for Matthew McConaughey, it would be Shabir.
Okay.
Yeah, he would be perfect. Yeah.
Right. Big Bang Theory.
Big Bang Theory, I haven't seen much of it. I don't see too much comedy. Yeah. Sex and the City, I loved. True Detective, I loved. So I've not seen too much of Big Bang Theory.
Okay. Game of Thrones.
That one's a favorite. I feel so much of relatability. Been there, done that. So yeah, Game of Thrones I would cast. Actually, there's a big cast out there. But let me choose one. Yeah, so Cersei I would definitely cast Urvashi Dholakia for.
Okay.
Like she would be perfect. And for Jon Snow, who would I cast? It would be either Ronit or Mihir Amar.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the last one is Narcos.
Narcos. Now that's interesting. Narcos would be, if I had to cast a TV actor, it'd be Ronit.
Oh, okay, for Pablo Escobar.
Yeah, Pablo. Pablo would be Ronit, yes, for sure.
Okay.
Because Ronit, as an actor, has a physicality that can the metamorphosis physically he can do, very few can do. So yeah, Ronit for sure.
Okay. And lastly, like before we wind up, like give us one like good reason why people should, tune on to All Balaji and watch all this.
Because you won't get them anywhere else. And I'm trying to tell stories that I'm sure many people want to watch. So try to catch some stuff on the net and see if you want to download the app then. Thank you.
Right, so friends, this was Ekta with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And
Thank
it was
you
a pleasure.
for meeting.
Yeah.